right? It changes. Sometimes the ba starts on the and sometimes it starts on the pa. And that's really important to figure out before I start putting my hands together using my voice. Hey, so this is a video explanation about how to bring your hands together on a slightly complicated song. Bella Ciao. Bella Ciao sounds like this. And there's a lot that we need to do before getting to that. And here's how we break it down. So let's just concentrate on the beginning, which is just those 4 notes. And just the G minor oompa. Bass tone, bass tone, bass tone, bass tone. And again, we're not using sheet music right now. We're just doing a G minor. And these notes, which using a playback exercise are from the G minor. Those 5 notes. Do, 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 do. Here's how we put the hands together. So, just like the blog post says, separating your hands, the guide to hand independence, we're going to do hands separately and use our voice. So G minor, oompa. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Do, 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 do. I'm slowly building the song. I'm humming it to myself. I'm singing it out loud over that G minor. Ba, 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 ba. And it's important to start correctly. I'm separating my right hand. I don't need it. I'm using my voice as the melody. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Right? It changes. Sometimes the ba starts on the and sometimes it starts on the pa. And that's really important to figure out before I start putting my hands together using my voice. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Right? So that's how I'm introducing it. Once I'm comfortable doing that with my voice, I could start tapping. So, ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. I'm emphasizing the where it's starting. Sometimes it starts on the pa. Sometimes it starts on the That's important. And then I do the same thing with my right hand. So right? If you notice that, I'm doing no tapping yet. Tap, tap. I could use a metronome to do that, but my hand is keeping rhythm. I'm removing it for emphasis, otherwise I could have it here. Right? It's important for this to keep going. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. That's really what playing the accordion is about. We're doing this. And instead of using our head and tapping our stomach, we're using the instrument. And we're separating the chords at first. We're just trying to do those 2 things together. Ba, 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 ba. I'm keeping this going while doing ba, 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 ba. That's the trick of putting your hands together on any song. Bella Ciao, Mary Had a Little Lamb, or a tango or a waltz. It's really bringing those 2 things together. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.